There are no rules. Zero, none, nil, zip, zilch, nada, naught. Rules are made up by one group of people to control other people, and pirates do not follow rules. You want to be doing what you want to be doing when you want to be doing it, and not what the rules say you should be doing. Henry David Thoreau said, "What you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals." My goal is to teach you how to live a not normal life in a normal world. The rules of the so-called normal world are made up, illusions, or should I say, delusions. For example, most of us are instructed to get an education, a good education, then get a job, a good job, then work hard, really, really hard, for a long, long time, live below your means and save money, and when you get old, you can retire and be happy. Of course, the people telling us to live like this, educators and employers, also happen to be living this same deferring happiness lifestyle. The problem with the rule is putting off living life until later, as if your happiness is a destination to reach when you get old. And you know what I say about this. Postponing your life far and down the road is like saving sex until you're really, really old. Education is important, but it should be ongoing, and working hard is fine too. The problem lies in the thought that you need to be unhappy now during the best years of your life, and you can be happy and have fun when you're old. Starting today, look at everything you do and ask yourself, am I doing this because it is what I want to do, or am I doing this because it is someone else's stupid rule? Postponing your life far on down the road is like saving sex until you're really, really old. Break the rules. Say it with me.